Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. In this episode, I'm gonna unbox some boxes. I got some boxes from this company called Portkeys. This is like the monitor system, monitors for your camera monitors. So there's some cool stuff in here. I thought I was gonna receive one box, but I received three. So let's go look inside what's inside then and check what's it all about. So let's start with the biggest box. In here on the top here, it says film and television equipment. I'm quite excited when a greeting like that is, greeting me, or statement like that is greeting me. So let's have a look what's inside. Okay, there's some handles. There's a little 5-inch simple cage. Little screwdriver here. Let's open this up here. I suppose this goes together and then, that goes over there. The monitor goes over there. I suppose this goes over there. There's a little screwdriver. There's two little knobs. That's the HDMI holder or splitter, or yes, I think it's mini HDMI cable to mini HDMI cable. Then we have a mini HDMI cable to full HDMI cable. Full size HDMI, mini to full size HDMI. So all the possible HDMI options are over here. Yes, we've got all the cables over here. Now what's in this little box here then? That's a little, like a ball mount. That gives you like some flexible options mounting the monitor. Then one more box. Let's have a look what's inside here. Wow, some more cables. Oh my word, guys. So this is mini USB to mini jack. This is mini USB to mini USB. This is micro USB or mini HDMI to mini USB. Then there's the long arm HDMI extensions with different HDMIs on the side. And then mini USB to another jack. So there's some more cables over here. So basically, all the cables and things were in this one. This is the LH5T. So this is the main monitor now. Wow. Guys, you can check all the links in the description as well, by the way, if you want to check them out. But in here, we have the monitor itself. Let's open it up. And then there's like a little shade over here as well. I suppose there's like another bigger shade that flips on over it. In the bottom here, we have a 1/4-inch screw, DC power, USB, 2 HDMIs, HDMI in and out. There's a lock button over here. There's menu, exit, on, off, few functions. Yeah, apparently it's touchscreen as well. So like DC power over here, which for some reason is the US plug. I'm gonna need a converter. Then I have screen protector, very nice. Then I guess this is all part of the little camera cage that goes around the camera, not cage but just a camera shade that goes around the camera. There's like a little sticker and Velcro, so you can put the sticker Velcro around that one and then that shade kind of glues around that. Then we have another screen protector and then microfiber cloth and a little USB. Last box, this is the 501 5-inch EVF cage. There's a lot of this paper fluff inside. And then you have this cage over here. That's nice, so you can see in bright sunlight a bit more. I suppose this will clip onto the monitor. The monitor goes inside. And then there's the cage already around the monitor over here, which is very, very nice, protects the monitor properly protected. Also around this monitor, there's like a cold shoe, hot shoe mount, so you can put stuff behind over here as well. Very nice. All metal, properly built, very awesome, good quality. And then there's a little key as well, already built into the frame here. So nice, like goes with the magnet hold on the frame over here. Very nice. Anyway, guys, this is a cool unboxing for the Portkeys LH5T 5-inch 4K HDMI support monitor, which is this little monitor over here actually, but the whole set of things here is pretty amazing and pretty awesome. So just wanted to do the unboxing separately, otherwise one video would be so long. Anyway guys, thanks very much guys for watching this episode. I hope this was interesting for you. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a like if you did. If you want to know anything and have any questions, I'm gonna meet you in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Consider subscribing if you're new here, because more videos like this are coming out every single week. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.